Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a verification channel on the Discord. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Discord. Now once you are in, you have to go on your profile page. And here is the option of the account. You have to click on it. Now once you are in, you have to go on the email. And here you have to click on the send verification code. Now you have to go on your Gmail and here is the verification code. You have to just enter this verification code on your Discord. Once you enter this, you have to enter the email and add the new password. Once you add the new password, you have to click on the done button. And here is the option of the resend email. You have to just click on it and you have the new email address. So yeah, this is how you can make a verification channel on the Discord.